Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Audien Hearing Aids before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Audien Hearing is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Audien Hearing is only sold on the official website. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Audien devices without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your hearing, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Audien Hearing and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Audien Hearing has helped over 1 million users, and it will work for you too. After years of innovation, Audien developed a line of FDA-registered over-the-counter hearing aids with advanced technology. Models like the Atom 1, Atom 2, Pro 2, and Ion series. These hearing aids were created to help people who suffer from hearing loss regain clarity and confidence without needing a prescription, doctor visit, or expensive $5,000 solution. Whether you're struggling to hear conversations, the TV, or sounds in noisy environments, Audien Hearing Aids use cutting-edge sound chips, directional microphones, and background noise cancellation to deliver crystal clear audio. If you've been frustrated by traditional bulky or overpriced hearing aids, Audien was designed for simplicity, comfort, and affordability. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Audien Hearing Aids, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each person will respond in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your experience and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Audien Hearing Aids for 45 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Audien to work for you, it's important that you use it consistently. Wearing it daily helps your brain adapt to clearer sounds again. Some people notice improvement within the first few days, but most users report even better results after 2 weeks of consistent use. Also important for you to know, Audien Hearing have no side effects and are comfortable to wear even with glasses. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Audien Hearing Aids from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, use it daily and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your ears and your brain react in a very unique way. I also hope that Audien Hearing Aids actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of over 1 million people around the world.